Hello. How's it going? Back at snow shoveling. Do you guys see how high that snow is? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I just shoveled the stairs. Now out here. It's not as bad. Wow, those neighbors already did it. Alright. Time to be like them. That looks good so far. Hold up. Yep. Okay. I just did this path. I feel like it's raining. Should I even throw it there? Or should I throw it inside? Another go. No Pokemon today. Just snow shoveling. I hope I don't get sick. Okay. Oh my god, I just thought this is like... Would it make sense? Why did I just put the snow on top of the car? Bad decision making. Alright. Alright, right now I'm gonna just dust the car off. Dust the car. How do I do this? I'm gonna just step in the snow. Okay. Yo, it feels pretty icy. Oh, okay. Ooh. Ooh, I just slammed it. I think is it still snowing or is it raining? Feels like it's water. You know what? Maybe I should just shovel it off first. Duh. Ugh. Ooh. Yeah, so guys, just shovel it off first. Whoa. Yo. Okay. I'll do it the other way. I should not have done that. I just put snow on next to the car. Let's say hi. Hi, Champagne. Hold up. What did you say? I was wearing this thing on my neck. Okay. Hey, I'm not seeing any shovels on follows. Hi, Champagne. How are you? When is the snow stopping? I have a feeling Wednesday. I started looking at the news. Yo, today I had an interview. Woo. Oh god. Okay, so this is a bad idea. Having snow next to the car like that. Maybe I'll shovel it away. I'll shove it like there. Because the snow is still soft, you could just move it around easily. So yeah, if you guys want, just shovel the snow now. It's a lot easier. Okay, now people can get in the car. Whew. And use a shovel to take the snow off your car. Uh-oh. Whoa. Wow, the snow made the car look so much taller. Here. I can go out in the street. I wonder if my phone's gonna die. Ooh, yo, look how deep it is. It's knee deep. Yo, this car is never coming out. Bruh. Oh my god. Dang. This car is not coming out. I'm sure that the garbage trucks are gonna come by and just like shovel it all away. Yo, this is so tall. Alright, so now I'm able to reach a car. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of snow over there. How? Why is all the snow on this side? Whatever. Let's get rid of the snow on top. I'm only doing this so it could be easier next time. It's not that I want to go anywhere. The snow is soft now and stuff. It's easy to like come off. Woo. Phew. Okay. I'd be so freaked out if there was someone in here. Alright, so on top of the car looks okay. Alright. That was car number 1. Alright, this is car number 2. Yo, look. The wheels. They're not even visible no more. Okay, so I don't even know where to start. How do I even start, yo? Do I just leave it? It's not like we would use this car to go in the snow anyway. Why does it seem like there's that much snow up here? I'm taller than this car right now. I found a car in the snow. Ooh. Okay. Get off. like an archaeologist. Look what I found. A 2017 vehicle. Ugh. Ow. I've uncovered something. I wonder if my phone's gonna die. It is cold out here. Maybe I'll come back out later and I'll do this other car. I'm gonna go inside. Ooh, it feels like it's snowing. I mean, raining. You look at that. I'm about to climb to that. Ready? Oh, here. It's like this. These deep holes. Okay. It is still snowing. So I'll be back out there. Champagne, wherever you're going. I hope you have a nice day. Ooh, what kind of vehicle is that? Someone decided to drive. If it comes closer, then I'll like flip the phone. I think I did an okay job. Let me show you. Not the best. That car looks like it's still in there. That car in the back. Ooh, sorry. It's upside down now. Okay, yeah. Still under there. Hello. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to go have some dinner right now. That car needs to be uncovered. This one halfway. Yep. Really short stream. Sadly, I'm gonna have to go inside. Bye bye, you guys. Maybe I'll play some SoCal later. I know I've been thinking about it. Bye bye. Laters.